Hey fam, welcome back to the channel. I went to Walgreens and did a couple of deals, so I'm going to show you what I got. I did 3 separate transactions, but this was my first transaction because I started with 0 register rewards. And Walgreens have, when you buy 2 Palmolive or Suavitel, you'll get a $2 register reward back. I had $1 off one digital here. They didn't have any Suavitel, so I had to get another Palmolive, and I rolled $1 in Wag cash to lower my out-of-pocket. So let's look at my receipt. Okay, here's my receipt. You see the $1 off digital that came off. That brought it to $3.98, but I rolled $1 in Wag cash, so actually that's $2.98, and I got $2 in register reward back. So that means that this right here cost me 49 cents a piece. So let's look at my next transaction. Okay, this is my next transaction that I rolled the $2 in register reward from here to here to lower my out-of-pocket. Walgreens have, when you buy 2 Gillette or Venus razor, you'll get a $10 register reward. This was $9.99. This was $9.99. I had a $4 off one digital here. I had a $5 off one digital here. And I rolled the $2 register reward onto here to lower my out-of-pocket. This was $9.99. This was $9.99. That brought it down to $8.98 out of pocket, but I got back my $10 in register reward, which means this was free plus a money maker. So let's look at my receipt. Okay, here's my receipt. You see the $2 register reward from the Palmolive, the 5 off 1 digital for the Venus, the 4 off 1 digital for the Gillette. I paid $8.98 out of pocket, but I got back my $10 in register reward, which means that this was free plus a money maker. And I rolled that $10 in register reward to my last transaction, which is a great deal. And I want y'all to go ahead and do this deal this week. So let's look at it. Now this is an awesome deal, fam. Awesome deal. Okay, Walgreens have, when you buy 3 of Olay body wash or bar soap, you get an $8 in register reward back. There's a 5 off 3 digital that I use that's on the app, but these 2 body washes $7 a piece. The bar soap is $8. Ibotta also has, when you buy 2 Olay body wash, you getting $4 in cash back. Plus, when you buy 1 Olay bar soap, you getting $2 in cash back. So let's look at my receipt. Okay, here's my receipt. I had a spend 20 booster that I rolled with this also. You see the $10 register reward from the razor and the 5 off 3 digital. I paid $7 out of pocket, but I got back this $8 in register reward, which means this is free plus a $1 money maker just for Walgreens. But I got back my $6, $4 here, $2 here from Ibotta. So that's $6. So that's $7 money maker alone. But remember, I had this booster. Look what I got back. $5. I earned $5 this visit. So that makes this a $12 money maker. $12 money maker. You can't beat that. So make sure y'all go out and do these deals this week. So they got some great deals. Really great deals, and especially on these razors. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn your notification bell on so you'll know when I upload another video. And they gave me another booster here. spend 25 and I get 5 in WAG cash. I'm going to roll that one because I'm going to go do this deal again this week before it's over with. But you can't beat that. If y'all don't do any other deal, do the Olay. Until the next video, fam, y'all have a blessed day. Bye-bye.